This is a simple t-shirt bag, but it could be very useful in certain circumstances when you happen to be locked in a house. Basically, you have no key, but you gotta go somewhere. But, you know, you have no key to get out and do what you need to do. So, I'm going to show you how to lock yourself out of your house with a t-shirt bag. Okay, I'm going to hand this over. Always remember, see, this is a deadbolt. Lock a deadbolt behind you. You start from the bottom, work your way up, and then what you want to do is you want to keep on turning the bag. Turn and twist the bag as much as you can. Until it's tied around here. Okay, where you get thin enough to go actually in between the door, then you know you've done good enough. Now, what you want to do is open the door and let's see, turn it just a little bit, just to get it a little head start. Make sure when you're doing this, you have enough slack to basically pull and lock the door behind you, thusly like this. And there, you're locked out of your house. And that's how it's done.